Hello friends, welcome back to famous educational channel to watch more creative, innovative and unique videos on AngularJS. Today's video is really interesting and innovative. So please don't forget to subscribe my channel after watching this video. As we have gone through many videos on AngularJS such as installation of AngularJS, then radio button using AngularJS, checkbox using AngularJS. We have used one directive using AngularJS in video. Our latest video was the login form validation using AngularJS. A lot of videos we have seen on AngularJS. Today's video is really creative. It is all about registration form with CRUD operation using AngularJS. So let us go through the program first of all in detail. src directory. This is all about the registration form with CRUD operation. This is CSS file, form demo. Then here this is directive, ng bind. Then these are the different names in which you have to write in this manner. Then different CRUD operation. Now I will execute the program. Yes. We will do one thing. Copy. A nice registration form is displayed with all validations and CRUD operation. So name, first of all, Sachin. It is in validation is also performed. Tendulkar, it is correct. Then address, Bandra. Email ID, if it is now sachin@gmail.com. if I will don't write, then it is in blank, that indicates that email ID is not correct. So these are the different types of powerful thing in AngularJS, that CSS styles and changes. A lot of CSS directive are used. Now this color change. So I will add. Yes, I added Sachin Tendulkar. Yes, I want to edit Kelly. Sachin Tendulkar band. Now I want to edit Kelly. Instead of Kelly, I will write here Rohit Mumbai and Rohit @ yes, Rohit has been saved. So I successfully done with create operation, insert operation, update operation. Now I will delete the record of Sam. Yes, Sam has been deleted. And if I will write something here, Shahrukh Khan, address Juhu. If I have to reset, the form has been reset. So I successfully done with registration form with CRUD operation using AngularJS. Please share me in comments if you like this video. I have taken more efforts to create this video. Please don't forget to subscribe my channel. I will be back with more creative videos on AngularJS, React.js, Node.js, Python, Streamlit, machine learning. Watch me on youtube.com. Thanks for watching.